show you our house. And look.
Look at that pretty arch, Lucy. Right there.
Right there.
Look, some ivy going up it.
It's not poison.
No,
No poison.
just ivy. Yeah.
Yep, just ivy.
Looks fake.
Yeah.
We have some nice, pretty decals over here.
And look.
There's a little ducky. Just show them all the cool stuff around here.
Wait, look.
So there's like a few bird's nests
Like
in there. I don't know
like
if you
a
can
bird
see that.
house.
But there's like a bird's nest in there, and there's a bird's nest right
And
there.
a rocking chair.
There's some nice rocking chairs
It's
things to sit out in the
spider web, so
morning.
we're not gonna sit on it.
Maybe. And then
Maybe.
two. And yeah.
Oh,
It says, welcome to the lake. Now we're gonna go in.
ta-da. First we need to start with the living room.
Yay.
We need to go to the living room and then we'll go to our room. It's the best.
Mm-hmm. Let's go in here. We got the living room and Rocky.
Rocky, say hi.
Hi. Let's show them a view of the lake.
Yeah,
And this is our view.
it's the best view, right?
It's so pretty. Okay, now
Let's come
we have
in
the couch
here.
and a nice TV.
Oh.
And this thing.
We
There's a
forgot to
bunch
show-
of really cool rocks.
we
Which
don't-
look an awful lot like fossils. Like that looks like fossils.
yeah,
And
like
so does that.
it looks yeah, but this might break because it feels like it's breakable.
Yeah, be careful.
With
We have
this.
some DVDs because, yeah. you
My
know,
favorite's this one.
that one. I think it might be The Little Mermaid or something.
Oh,
Yeah. And then there's Rocky again.
Hello,
You
Rocky.
happy?
Oh, I hi you again. And also say hello to mommy.
No.
Okay, bye.
Then we have this fish. Pillow.
Fishy. It looks like this reminds me of watermelon, like growing grass, like flowers.
Yeah.
And the middle's like cantaloupe.
And now we're gonna go into our room.
Yep, the best.
Okay, so we're gonna start with my room, my bed. This
Yeah.
is my bed.
This is your bed.
Yeah.
It's a little messy, but my bed.
It's a bit. Hey, be quiet. My bed is beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go up to her bed. You go up first.
It's so fun up here. And also, didn't we mention that there's toys? over
Yeah, there's kind of like toys.
We can show you up here.
Because they know it would probably be a kid's room. Okay. So this pillow, which is randomly there.
Yeah,
Lucy,
I
we
don't
should
know how-
switch off sleeping with that.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
You sleep with it tonight. And then we have her unicorn pillow that she brought.
Yeah.
And then she has all our baby dolls. And yeah, it's really cozy up here.
This is not it. There's two more left, and I have more somewhere.
Yeah, and then we have this nice little picture of a fawn.
And
How
also,
lovely.
don't forget about my ceiling.
She has a ceiling that she's obsessing about.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Okay. Now,
I wish I could jump
let's
on
show you upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
I'm gonna go upstairs now.
Upstairs. It's actually
So we have this little entry. Oh wait, we gotta show you the kitchen. So we have this nice table.
kitchen.
We have Rocky's stuff.
Rocky stuff.
Then we have like a little stove.
Did we forget about our snack corner?
And we have our nice
We're gonna eat this.
bunch
and
of
some
snacks.
this if we want.
a breakfast,
Snacky,
you know.
Snackist bars. Snackist bars? Snackist bars. Some snack
And then-
bars.
We have this area.
And
Beware
apple.
of dog kisses. And then we have the fridge.
Dog kisses are usually paw on you. The paws.
And then we're
then
gonna
the
go
kisses
upstairs
on.
to Mommy and Daddy's room.
Yeah.
It's very nice up here.
Yeah, it's actually really
And there's a
funny.
nice, decent sized
It looks
TV.
like from the olden days because there's this change.
It's
in
so
things.
like it's kind of
And
dark
we're
in
gonna
here.
go behind it.
Oh yeah, this thing, very old timey.
Our
This
dad's
is
gonna
little-
sleep here. This, and then our mom's gonna sleep here.
Yeah.
And now our perfect run to do a cartwheel. Ready?
No, don't do a cartwheel. Fine, you can do a cartwheel.
Perfect.
And we have like this treasure chest thing. I don't know what that treasure
This
chest thing
is
is.
the life.
And what's this?
Ooh, what is that?
I think this might be like it's called Hit the Spot.
The spot.
So you're
like,
so
all the way
okay,
to
don't play
100.
it, but like yeah.
Yeah, all the way to 0.
And let's go back downstairs.
And wait, what did we forget to show you guys?
Nothing.
But I think there's more.
I don't think so. We have
Oh
this
wait, we forgot about
pleasant
the
view.
Statue of Liberty bench.
There's no Statue of Liberty.
I mean the American flag bench.
Yeah.
Yes, we're sitting on it.
Nice
You're
bench.
about to sit on it.
And I think that's the end of the tour.